everyone from Malaysia. This is like, I think, good evening from Malaysia. Selamat malam from Malaysia. Assalamualaikum. And thank you very much for coming to Women in AI Global Summit. And actually, we are from the Women in AI Malaysia chapter, and we have Dr. Marina Yusoff here. Dr. Marina Yusoff is currently working as Associate Professor in Universiti of Teknologi Mara, UiTM. And she's going to talk about the AI capabilities for pattern recognition and computational optimization. She's from the Faculty of Computer and Mathematical Sciences, Universiti Teknologi Mara. And for today's keynote, for tonight, we are going to have like half an hour only. So 20 minutes for Dr. Marina, 10 minutes for the Q&A. But feel free to write everything in the chat because we are going to monitor your chat. And if Dr. Marina doesn't have so much time to answer your question, don't feel so disappointed. Just go to the networking session. We will have Dr. Marina stand by there to answer all of your questions. So feel free to join us now. So let me just hand over to you, Dr. Marina. Dr. Marina?
Yes.
Okay, you may share your screen now.
Okay. Okay, I share the screen first. Can you see the screen?
Yes, can you share your slides on the screen?
All right.
Okay, all right, good. So for those who want to see the slides, just go through the screen share and double click on that slides. You can see clearly there. So, okay, Dr. Marina, hand over to you.
All right. Thank you very much, Dr. Fairoza. And I would like to thank also to the Women AI founder and also Women AI Malaysia and Japan for inviting me for this speech tonight. Okay, in Malaysia, we are actually 9 p.m. local Malaysia today. So hi everyone. So hopefully from this talk, I hope everybody can get some information about AI for non-AI, for the native AI, and also for the we call expert in AI. I'll just share with you something from my experience of to be a lecturer in AI for about 16 years. Right, so I proceed with the details about what I'm going to talk tonight. Okay, I will talk. The first part is in AI about AI evolution, and then later I will talk about the connection of AI in terms of pattern recognition and computational optimization. So AI evolution, as we knows about the popular guy Alan Turing. Alan Turing established the core of the concept of artificial intelligence, okay, long time ago, about 1950s. And then the most important here that we can see about Turing, the Alan Turing is in terms of Turing test, where the testing involve interrogator, AI system and human, where we can see that AI system can communicate with the interrogator. So meaning that the machine can understand the human, what the human asks them. Okay, so from this we can see that the machine can think. Okay, can seems that the machine can act like human and also thinking like human. So based on that, there are 4 basic AI features that we need to know prior to go details about AI, which are the thinking like human, okay, thinking rationally, acting humanly, and act rationally. So we in AI committee, AI as an AI expert, we have to come up with a machine that can do like human, right? So that is a basic about Turing test. Now I just want to share a bit about the AI. Okay, as you can see from the screen, there are evolution of AI from 1840s until 2020, right? So there are a lot of methods, algorithms, or system developed, such as perceptron, for instance, based from artificial neural network. The first expert system in 1965, and then later we got the the researcher come out with the genetic algorithm, which is one of the optimization computational methods. Okay, and then later there are more knowledge-based medical diagnostic systems, and later in terms of robotics and more optimization or nature-inspired computing solution that involve in AI. Lately, if you can see a lot of improvement or improvement in AI, for instance, in deep learning, deep learning. So there is one of the very good capability of AI in terms of pattern recognition and computational optimization. So in general, we can see that AI can support our business, okay, in terms of automating business process, obtaining insight through data analytics, and also helps in customer and employee engagement. So in general, we can see that AI evolution more relevance, and it is like a present and future norm nowadays. So I can say here, it is a AI breakout. Okay, it's not just COVID-19 breakout, but AI also breakout nowadays. If we consider the evolution of healthcare technology, in terms of ability of handling big data, computing, processing power, in terms of IoT, and many more. So AI becomes a new technology that impact our lives. Okay, so and then if we look at the future, from the United Nations also come out with the Sustainable Development Goals, which are the SDG, we call SDG in short. So this initiative that we need to solve actually. So when we see this needs, so AI has an important role here. AI has an important role, and it has impact, improve the results in many real world problems related to these sustainable development goals. And AI also has enabled fast growing technology in this present and future. In addition, AI also support Industry Revolution 4.0 and address societal, economic, and environmental issues with regards to the S17 of SDG elements. Okay, based on this, we can see that AI relates or connect most on the data. So when we want to solve this problem, we are dealing with variety and volume of data. So how to obtain the insight of data, or how to find the solution to uncover them, because data is very important for us in terms of industry performance and also human performance, and also in terms of, if we can see, pattern recognition. Yeah, so that is overall about evolution of AI. Now I want to give a brief about the connection of AI, pattern recognition, and optimization. So we can see that data is important, and AI has lots of many algorithms in place right now. One of them is a group of machine learning algorithms, which are like a neural network, random forest, decision trees, and recently deep learning. In terms of computational optimization, it will help to improve the recent the findings, improve the finding in terms to have the good in searching, okay, searching procedure, to have to assist to improve in terms of results for the solution. So based on when we have a lot of data, we need to find how the patterns in the data. So we can use these artificial intelligence algorithms. Okay, in general here from the screen, as you can see here, AI capabilities for pattern recognition. I put here 4 main domains. Okay, what pattern recognition for machine learning can do is can perform in terms of recognition or diagnosing, and also in terms of patterns and anomalies detection, for instance. Another one is the most important nowadays when we talk about data, predictive and analytics. Yeah, data analytics. You can hear about big data, data analytics. AI also can help them. Okay, and the recent one, most popular nowadays, we can say that is conversation and human interaction. Like AI chatbots, we can see so many chatbots nowadays. Like we have a Siri, in your Apple. You have Elisa, and in the car. Okay, when you have autonomous car or you have a car, a smart car, you can have that conversation and human interaction with the help of AI. Okay, in general, we have here, I want to share about the connection of AI and data analytics. This is what we can say. For non-AI, it could be like a very, a bit technical bit, but I just want to share here about the needs of AI algorithms in the process of making the pattern recognition. Yeah. So as we can see here, we have various of data. You can use various type of data like images or text, and then you can use AI algorithm here to do transformation or preprocessing, and then to perform the recognition of patterns. Can use AI algorithm also, and then later after that, normally we can enhance more the results of the pattern by using optimization algorithms. Okay, so here I just want to share about one of the my group team, my team research, my recent project in terms of the intruder detection using audio. Yeah, the data is audio. It is acoustic surveillance intruder detection. It is a low-cost audio event recognition for intruder detection, and then we use this for to detect the intruder from in the forest. Okay, the product, this product we call ASIC, which is acoustic surveillance for intruder detection systems. Okay, in this system, we use random forest, deep learning, and particle swarm optimization to find the pattern of audio. Okay, to detect the intruders such as hatches, illegal poachers, okay, in the forest. So how we do this is we start with using the training data and some testing data set of sounds activities. The sounds activities actually be obtained from the forest using a near real-time environment. It is beneficial for wildlife agencies in maintaining security. Yeah, this is the main aim for this system. So in general, here I can say that AI is very important to help us to find pattern. Okay, if I have more time, actually I want to share a lot, but it's okay. I hope you can get the idea, the evolution of AI and pattern recognition. How do we apply AI algorithms to help us in pattern recognition? So last but not least, I just want to share about these terms. Don't be Luddite. A person opposed to new technology or ways of working is like a small-minded Luddite resisting progress. So we need to use the technology like AI as we need AI today to help our to improve our performance, whether in industry or in our society work. Okay, so another one before I end my presentation today, don't forget AI ethics. When we present AI, please don't forget AI ethics for the present and future use. Okay, a new belief in a new norm of technology is AI. So with that, thank you very much.
Okay, thank you very much, Dr. Marina, for your talk. Okay, so if the audience have any question, feel free to write on the chat, on the event or in the stage. Okay, so I think in the stage you can write the chat. You can write all the questions in the chat. So for now, as like we don't really have a question now, so let me I'm quite very interesting with like the evolution of AI, right? So it was like happened like 100 years ago, and then like going slow down until now it become very hot. So what is actually the current situation of AI in Malaysia actually? Is it like really well developed? Like how far have we go? Hmm.
Okay, in terms of when we look at the Malaysia perspective, we are actually in the moment of move from the information system. Okay, like we have now information system. I believe that many industry have information system now. Now, I think most of the industries start to think about the implementation of AI in their business. So it is like a new for them for some business, but for some big business, it's like they use it already. For instance, some of the company use SAP for the business. So SAP, most of the SAP element use AI to help them to assist in terms of business intelligence. So we are in the making, actually. I can say that, yes.
Yeah, okay, yeah, we are in the making, right? Actually, I'm quite very like interested with your intruder detection research. Maybe can
Yeah.
you can try to elaborate a little bit more on what is actually the intruder detection and how is it different, something like that.
Okay, based on intruder detection, currently in the forest, most of the technology they use is camera. Okay, they use a camera. So camera, when we look at the costing, when look at the maintenance, is very high. So we offer the low cost solution, which we use audio. Okay, now the product of acid, we call acid acoustic surveillance. Acid is has been validated based on some audio data sets from the forest. It is validated by MCMC, our Malaysia MCMC Multimedia Center in Malaysia, and then actually the collaboration of ACID with Wildlife Malaysia Society, and also we'll deal with Malaysia Forest, relevant agency like Perhilitan, Perhutanan Malaysia, and Forest Malaysia. Yeah, that's about ACID. Is it okay for that?
Yeah, okay for that. Thank you very much. We have one question from the audience. It's from Sophia Lamar, Miss Sophia Lamar. Do you think genetic algorithms still have a place in modern AI, or do you consider them a step in the evolution of AI that is no longer relevant?
Okay. As for genetic algorithm is concerned, I believe that yes, genetic algorithms started in 1970s. However, during this day, there are many researchers or many users use genetic algorithms because it has been improved. It has been improved to be to come out with many variants of genetic algorithms, and also we can hybrid with other methods. Okay, for instance, genetic algorithm can be hybrid with particle swarm optimization, cuckoo search, which cuckoo search has good in random walk capability. So AI also has its capability to help in terms of searching, both searching, exploration, and exploitation to ensure the result is good. Okay, to get optimal results. Yes.
Yes, okay. Thank you very much for your answer. So we still have 10 minutes left. Like if you have any question, feel free to write in the chat. I will reply. I will ask the panel on behalf of you. In the meantime, you can connect with Dr. Marina Yusoff through her LinkedIn profile. We provided that. Okay, and then since we have another 9 minutes, maybe Dr. Marina want to share a little bit on her works currently, previously, or maybe how you previously, are you like, I think like there's not so many females in the industry like doing AI, I think. So maybe that kind of experience also maybe you can share.
Okay, based on when we talk about AI, it's a lot of things actually. It's about software and it's about hardware. Then in our university, specifically in my faculty of Computer and Mathematical Sciences, we do software, right? So our students actually we train the student to learn AI on software parts. We teach them the elements of the machine learning, okay, and they also have a track of big data, a track of data analytic track where we use AI. We ask students to learn data analytics tools or data analytics programming related with embedded AI solutions to that particular um, um, problem. Okay, and then there are many problems actually the students use for AI. Use AI, related to AI methods in industry, meaning that we try to help industry also with the assistance of student in that case. So probably that is my I just want to share about this, like based on academic perspective, right? In terms of industry, we are in the making also industry, like the most recent one is we are in progress of coming out with joint venture of RPA, robotic process automation, meaning that in robotic process automation we need a lot of AI there, machine learning to have in terms of the automatic work automation in the office. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for the answer. So, okay. So, like, we have another 5 minutes more. Like, if you have any questions, feel free to jump in. So, like, I think, like, maybe Dr. Marina, maybe you can share, like, your screen back again on the intruder detection and explain a little bit more, like, what is the difference between sound and image? Like, why you say, like, sound is much more cheaper than the image? Something like that. Oh, we have a question actually from Christy. So
Okay.
I think you can, let's prioritize this question first. Can you tell us more about the algorithms you use that take the input data and convert it?
I think okay, there are many algorithms actually involved during the during the pre-processing of the data. Actually, in general, yeah, we need to have we can use many types of algorithms. Like pattern matching algorithms, feature extraction algorithms. Yes, we need to have we need to use that kind of algorithm to ensure that our data is actually transformed well to suit with the system that we have. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Thank you very much. I hope this answering your question, Christy. So, okay, we have another question from Mo. Did you like so far our subject? Oh, no, no, no. This is not. Okay, this is a promotion. Sorry about that.
Okay.
Okay, okay, we have another 1 minute. Okay, thank you very much, Dr. Marina, for this session. For this stage, I think like we learned a lot on the intruder detection. We learned a lot on everything. So everyone stay tuned. We have another one from Malaysia. That is from Hafiz Nazri, the head of data science from Touch and Go. We are going to talk to you more on industry application. And thank you very much, Dr. Marina, for your time. Okay,
Yeah.
hope to
Thank
see
you.
you soon.
Hi.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye bye.